How to update apps without Apple ID password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, it is really important to understand why Apple ID asks for your password. Apps downloaded from the App Store are tied to your Apple ID that originally installed them. So when you update them, iOS asks for that same Apple ID password for security purposes. Just in case, if you want to do it without Apple ID password, then the first option could be sign out of old Apple ID and use your own. So go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Further scroll down and tap on the sign out option, and once signed out you can sign in with your Apple ID and then open App Store and then go ahead and update apps again. This works if the apps were downloaded using your account. Next fix for this issue is go ahead and try to delete the app completely from your home screen and then reinstall it from your app store using the current Apple ID and download the app again and see if that helps. If not, then you can simply ask the previous owner for this. So you can ask them to enter their Apple ID password or have them remove the device from their account, and this might help in fixing your issue. If not, then you can simply recover your Apple ID password. So open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for iforgot.apple.com. You can then go ahead and try resetting your password using email or phone verification. After resetting, you can update apps normally. See if that helps, and if not, then you can use family sharing. So if the apps were purchased by a family member, you can use family sharing and you can download their purchased apps without needing their password. So these were a few ways on how you can update apps without Apple ID password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.